Hello my dear creative friends, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Jazzy Jewels. Glass beads and pearls are very trendy and unique combination nowadays. So I thought why not to make a video on the same. So here we are with a brand new tutorial on these beautiful earrings which I have made using the combination of pearls and glass beads. So I hope that you will enjoy this video, and if you like this tutorial, do give a thumbs up. And as you know, my channel is new here on YouTube. One subscription will really help me a lot in growing out my channel on this platform. So do hit the subscribe button so that I can also bring amazing jewelry making videos like this in the future. And now let's get started. So the material required is glass beads, then these are pearl beads, this is 28 gauge wire, and this is 30 gauge wire, earring dangle, and basic material that is cutter and plier. So first of all we will take this 28 gauge wire and we'll cut this in small portion. I'm taking up to this. Okay. Now with the help of plier, I'll make a small loop here. Okay, very quick. Now I'm going to add 4 glass beads in this. Now I'm taking this 30 gauge wire and I'll cut a big portion from this one because we need this for weaving. Now I will attach these 2 ends and I'll find the middle and I'll wrap this wire to the middle of this. Take one. Okay. It's okay if it is falling now. Now I am taking these pearl beads and I'll insert 8 pearl beads first. Okay, so oh my, all beads fallen down, no issues. So I have added first pearl beads and then glass bead, and I will wrap these pearl beads to the edges of this glass bead like this. I'll make half circle and then wrap this wire tightly over here. Now I'll repeat the same process to this side. That is, I'll insert 8 pearl beads first in this. And I will form a half circle to this end also. And with this we have formed a full circle of pearl beads around this glass bead. Similarly, we have to repeat this process for all of these 4. So I'll do that in fast forward way and come back to you. Okay, so I have done this. We will cut this extra part. Now, as this one is also little bit extra, I'll cut some of this and we'll make a loop with the help of plier. I'm not going to simply fully close this loop, but before I'll add hanger, and then I will close this one. With this, simple and elegant earrings are ready. So, if you have liked this jewelry pattern, do like to the video and let me know in the comments below what would you like to see next. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do press the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.